What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to answer a common question that I get asked all the time. And the question is, do you park your car at the airport or do you pay for parking? So currently, I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. When I started my Turo journey, I was in Dallas, Texas. But right now, I do not pay for parking. My cars are housed at the house. I do not pay for parking. Like, I do not leave my cars unattended. Like, I always meet my guests with the keys in their hands. I meet the guests. I take a picture of their ID. I let them know if it's something going on with the car, with, saying, answer any questions. I usually don't do remote, but I do have some cars that I do remote, but that's a different subject. But for the most part, no, I do not pay for parking. I know Turo got some contracts with a lot of airports out there where you can just communicate with your guests and see if you can work something out on your, what I'm saying, you can work something out with each other, where it's like in Texas, in DFW, you have to pay for a toll. Once you go to that airport, it's a $3 toll. You have to pay when you leave. So what I usually tell the guests is, when I get in there, I'll be like, hey, it's $3 to leave, but you just pay the $3 and I'll pay the $3 when you come back. So that's how I usually do it on that level. But say like you want to leave your car, you just have to communicate with the guest. Say, hey, the car is parked, the car is $25. You'll pay that once you leave, and then you bring the car back and let it sit, and we'll just go from there. So it's basically just about communicating. But for the most part, to answer the question, no, I do not leave my cars at the airport. I do not pay the fees. I don't do none of that. I just basically get on my airport tracker so I could track their flight, track when they get there, and then I kind of know the airport, so I know like the time frame from them getting to the gate to get into my location. Sometimes it's 30 minutes, sometimes it's 20 minutes. Sometimes it could be even longer because sometimes they might lost their bags, or the airport might lost their bags, so they dealing with baggage claims. But you just communicate with your guests, and once you see that plane land and they haven't reached out to you, because 90% of the time, if somebody's coming in to the airport renting your car, they gonna let you know when they land. I'm talking about 90% of the time. Some of the time they don't. When I don't hear from them, like when I know their plane has landed, I usually just send a text message, just say, hey, I'm here at the location. Just let me know if you got any troubles finding me. That's it. So, like you said, to answer your question, no, I do not leave my cars unattended at the airport. I got 4 cars now, and I just keep it going. So, hopefully, y'all find value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.